This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Robert Herrings Jr. Discover your dream home in the heart of Copperas Cove. This stunning two-story residence features 4 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a generous 2,024 square feet of living space, great for families of all sizes. Recently replaced carpet, the home also boasts a relaxing covered porch and a nice-sized backyard, ideal for outdoor gatherings and playtime. Situated in a well-established neighborhood, this home offers access to a community pool and playground, providing a friendly and welcoming environment. Conveniently located just minutes from Martin Walker Elementary School, it's an ideal location for families with young children. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this beautiful house your new home. Schedule a viewing today and experience all that this fantastic property has to offer. For more information,